Imagine if Gabbar Singh from Sholay saw today's cinema world. He'd find it confusing, slipping away from the grip of his terror. The classic film Sholay returned today as Sholay, the final cut. It has new 4K picture and the original ending never shown in Indian before. 2 deleted scenes and a great sound. But the big problem is screen space. Film Heritage Foundation promised re-release of 1500 screens across India. Now it's hard to even get 1000 because Ranveer Singh's Dhurandhar is doing so well. This was supposed to be a big celebration for Sholay's 50th year. The foundation said on November 15 it would be the biggest re-release ever. CP Films agreed on December 2nd. But theatres don't want it much. The movie runs 3 hours 39 minutes. Too long. Tickets cost full price, not cheaper like old film re-release. It clashes with Dhurandhar's huge success and other movies like Kiss Kisko Pyar Karu 2. Problem started early. Sholay was dropped from IFFI Film Festival in Goa. People thought it was because of Dharmendra's death, but officials said technical problem from the maker. Distributor Pen Marudhar is trying hard to get screen using their connection, but 1500 screen sounds impossible now. Karan Arjun re-release got 1110 screen and there were no big movies hitting at the screen that time. But Sholay has tough rivals. Theatres prefer new hits that makes more money. Better time would have been November or January, not busy December. Sholay deserves better. Made in 1975, it changed Indian film forever. Jay and Veeru's friendship, Gabbar's scary style. Songs like Ye Dosti Hum Nahi Todenge, everyone remembered them. Now fixed in 4K with dolly sound, keeping original big screen look, stars like Amitabh Bachchan, Dharmendra, Hema Malini made it special. Will fans come anyway? Hardcore lovers may show up, but regular audience like Dhurandhar more. Trade expects small opening, hopes for good weekend talk. Mistakes like big screen promise, dialogue change, festival miss hurt the buzz. The great film should get big welcome. Will theatres hear whistle of Are O Samba again? Or will new movie win? Sholay, the final cut, has re-entered movie theatres today. Rest will be cleared in days to come. More cinema news coming. Till then, stay tuned. I am Nikita Rawat and this is Times Entertainment.